Here, in yellow.
Graham.
Blue. And you'll have the colors up here, and if the answer was red, you pick red up here.
Okay.
Why that is. So we have the answer. They're right here. So guys, you just gotta make sure that you can see the iPad well.
Here's the password, Graham. Graham, are you there? 4.
Hey, Mr. P.
Graham, the password is 4FYBX.
Okay. So 4FY. Oh.
BXJ.
BXJ. All right. Thanks, Mr. P. I got the password.
Mama doesn't like.
Okay, that got your dad. You have to dig around to find stuff. It's always like, I can't find it. It's always buried somewhere. Remind me next time if you want the password, it's on the participants list under more. All right, we need to start. We've got 29 players. So I'm going to move the participant list down here so I can see the screen. And I'm going to start in 30 seconds. All right, 15. And 10, 9, 8.
Wait, Mr. P. Mr. P.
Yes.
My family needs like 30 more seconds to get logged in.
Okay.
They're having a bit of trouble with the Zoom.
Can you show them the code though on your Zoom?
I did. No, I mean the Zoom code.
Okay, your
Like
dad.
you're trying to do the password and Fly Parsons or that thing you gave me. Is it? My dad got in, so he's trying to know what my mom.
Your dad isn't, but he's not.
It's just gonna take a second. I think we're almost ready. Sorry for the hold up. I'll let you know when they're all ready. Because sometimes I know the Zoom can glitch when entering passwords and stuff. So, hey. Oh, I can hear myself from the other room. They got it working.
Are they in?
Oh, that's Dad's. Oh, we're still working. Sorry.
Okay, it shows Graham's dad's in.
I know, and my mom's in too, but my mom's Zoom is not working.
Gotcha.
Because you have to have the Zoom in order to get the
Zoom to
questions.
see the question, yeah. Thanks everybody for being patient.
Sorry about this. Sometimes the Zoom can.
And parents, I'll tell you, normally we elaborate on each question's answer, but to be able to finish in our Zoom allotment of time, we will just go through and show the leaderboard and move on. And kids too, we're not going to go through the how you got the answers because we'll run out of time.
Mr. P.
Yeah.
What's the password for the Zoom?
The password for the Zoom is 4FYBJ.
All right.
I'm gonna text it if I can get it to copy. It won't copy. Okay, let me try this. I'll take a picture of it.
All right. All right.
Okay, I'm texting a picture of it on 17.
Pictures. It might be the password.
Okay, if you're needing the password, I just texted it on Parsons 17 text. Okay.
Okay, I got it.
There's your mom.
Oh, they have different capitals. Wait,
I don't know
wait,
if it's
Mr. P. They have different capitals, right?
the F and the Y are capitalized.
Okay, that explains why. Because my mom was having a hard time getting in because we didn't know which were capitals.
I don't know
Alright.
if it matters or not.
It does. It's because we entered that exact password and it didn't work. All right, here we go.
I'm waiting for a prompt.
All right. We should be almost ready.
Anybody else that's not in, that needs in? Next time I'll make the password a word that we know that isn't like that.
All right.
I'll make a sensible password. Or take it off.
Open Zoom. Is it not opening Zoom?
It's opening. It just takes a minute.
Oh.
All right. Let me see.
What?
F Y.
EX and then capital J.
For me to that,
What?
you and your mom. All right, are we ready?
It doesn't work anyway.
Yeah, you guys go.
All right, Mr. P. I think we'll just. My
Good.
mom says she'll just watch. I guess. I wish those were
Watch
lectures.
Zoom.
Yeah.
Like
All right.
Maybe
All right.
try that.
So we should be good. Let's just. I think we're ready.
Okay, is there anybody else that's not in that needs in?
Sorry, Mom.
Okay, start in 10 seconds.
Sorry, Mom.
Okay,
I
10,
mean, we've played this game since 5th grade.
7, 6,
Hopefully the kids are able
4,
to do this.
2, 1, and here we go. Here comes the first question. Number 1, again, we're not gonna have time to talk. We just have to move on through. We won't get finished. There's the stuff. There you go.
It's lagging. I can't see that.
Remember, new people to the game, the accuracy is important. Just do it as fast as you can. It's better to be accurate and a little slower than wrong and fast. But both do matter.
No, we're waiting until everyone answers.
Yeah, it keeps everybody until everyone's finished or the time runs out. So yeah, parents, there's a time on the screen and it will go until the time's up or everybody has answered. And 2 people have not answered.
Oh, your account is frozen, so that means the timer will freeze.
I'll take mine.
Yeah.
I'll take my countdown.
There's.
All right, and as you can see, 25 of you got it correct. Got to move on quickly. And here's our leaderboard. Jayla followed by Jayla's dad, Kylie followed by Kylie's mom, and then Melis. All right, next question. They got 3 people or so that have not answered. There we go. And the correct answer was 7/10 written as correctly 7/10. And here is the leaderboard. All righty, we have Michaela, followed by Kylie's mom, Jayla, Mason, and Melis. All right, moving on. Number 3. Find the appropriate percentage of 35/100ths. Now, these should be a breeze for everybody. This is where I would love to have us write each one as a fraction, but we don't have time. As a matter of fact, I'll take a picture and we'll do it later. All right, we had some people that fell for a trap there, and I have to say something about that, okay? So again, it's 35%. Could someone tell me why red is not right quickly? Why was
Yes.
Go ahead.
It's because it has a decimal in the front.
Because that's saying that's a third of 1%, right? That's less than 1%. That's a third of a percent. You need 35%. Okay. So
Yeah.
we need to talk more, but we got to move on. Okay. So here's the leaderboard. My computer's a little sluggish here on the internet. Okay, Michaela, Melis, Graham, and Meow Meow, and Kylie. All right. Meow Meow Captain, I guess that's what that is. Okay, so number 4. Got another one. Give me the right percent. Don't fall for the trick. And by the way, thank you parents so much for coming and playing. I know you've got work to do, but thank you for taking a break and playing with us. Boom. All right, 8 people fell for the distractor. Remember, what is the green actually? What's the green actually? Did somebody say 1/200th? Did I hear 1/200th? Yeah, it's a 200th. It's a half of 1%. That means it's a 200th of the deal, right? Okay, moving on. Let's see who we got on that leaderboard. Graham the Blaze, Melis, Meow Meow Captain. We also got Liam and Liam's mom right behind him. All righty, moving on to the next one. Number 5. These are the dreaded, what is the number percent of the number? Okay, think of common factors to help you. Think of your factors. All right, gold is the right answer. And several people picked 25%. So remember, it's 20% because 6 is a fifth of 30, right? And a fifth is 20%, right? So that's what you got to do. You know, 6 times 5 is 30. and that there are 5 20% and 100%. All right. And our leaderboard shows DeBlaze, DeMellis, Liam's mom, Permita, and Tom Tom Captain. All right, so I'm assuming that's a family. Okay, up 7 places would be Betty's dad to high climber. All right, Betty's dad climbing. Okay, here we go. True or false? True or false? Remember, if you know your 12s, that'll help you there. If you know your 12s, those math facts are important. You know your 12s. All the parents know their 12s.
Okay, yeah, I accept that challenge.
Hey, parents, I said I bet all the parents know their 12s, and Dr. Parsons, my parents. All right, it was true because, think about it, if you know your 12s, 12 times 7 is 84, and 12 times 8 is 96, right? So if you divide 12 into that, that simplifies to 7/8. All righty. And the leaderboard. Okay, Mellis, followed by Graham, Permita, Liam's mom, and Tom Tom Captain. And DeGram has an answer streak of 6. Got that fire by his name. All right, here we go. T or F. And that was false. That was false, right? So what would the correct simplified answer be there?
I can say it.
Please.
Okay, so the reason that true is incorrect is because 8 times 4 is 32, but 12 times 4 is not 60.
Boom. All right.
The answer would be 48. It'd be 32/48.
Okay, 32/48 would be 8/12 is what I hear you saying.
Yes.
Okay, got to move on. All right, thank you, Betty. You the bomb. All right, we got Mellis, we got Graham, Permita, Liam's mom, and Tom Tom Captain still in the top 5. Michaela, you the high climber. All right, let's go. Number 8. Check our time. Okay, we got about 15 minutes, so I think we can get it in. Just doing a little 2-digit multiplying there. I see a shortcut too. Hey, I bet a lot of us found that shortcut because 32 times 5 is 160, right? But it's 10 times more than that, right? Because it's not times 5, it's times 50. So that's why it's not 160, but 1,600. So yeah, okay, let's look at that leaderboard again. Okay, DeBlaze back over Mellis, but everybody else stay. Oh no, we got, is this Permita's mom?
It's my dad.
That's your dad, sorry, okay. So 4 people moved up, and up 7 places would be Josie, the high climber. She's always climbing all over everything, Josie, you high climber. Okay, here we go. All right, number 9. You can work a little trickery there too. Hey, could somebody really quickly tell me what's the way I could mentally do that? I probably mentally can't do 1.2 times 7, but I can do what?
Do 12 times 7 and
Boom. Yes. That's why they call you the boss, right? So 12 times 7 is 84. Well, it's a tenth of that, right? Because that's not 12. So there you go. 8.4. Perfect. All right. Let's see our leaderboard now. We got Melis on top, Graham, Tom Captain, Courtney, you're up, and Pramita's dad. 6 players have a streak of 4. They are unknown, but they do. All right, here we go, number 10. Reciprocal. I bet somebody can tell us what reciprocal really is.
It's 5/3.
I heard somebody say the answer, but can someone tell me what a reciprocal actually is? Anybody? Isn't it the fraction that when multiplied with this fraction would equal 1, right? A reciprocal is a fraction that multiplied with the other fraction would equal exactly 1. And 5/3 multiplied by 3/5 would become 15/15 or 1, right? So yeah. What do most kids that don't know the full understanding to say? It's when you flip it, right? But that's not the true mathematical deal. It's what's multiplied by 3/5 to make 1, 5/3. All right. And here we are with our leaderboard. Moving on. 4 places up for Angelo's dad. 4 places up, Angelo's dad. You're the high climber. Okay, give me another reciprocal. What's the reciprocal of 1/4? Y'all made quick work of that one. Yeah, 4. Now, what would a kid that would be like, 4? I thought it had to be a fraction. Well, you can make 4 as 4/1, right? 4 once, 4 wholes. So that would work. All right. And let's see where we are now. Michaela, you up 3 in a row. You're back at it. Okay, Melis, Graham, Tom Captain, Pramita's dad, and Liam's mom. All righty. Here we go. All righty, we got to subtract a fraction. That's mental math territory, guys. I don't need to worry about a common denominator because I can do that mentally. That should be mental, just like that. Math. Now, if you can't see that mentally, you can still do the algorithm, right? And of course, that's a 4th because what's really a half but 2/4? And 2/4 from 3/4, 1/4. Yep. All right. So let's see here what we got. Melis, Graham, Tom Captain, Pramita's dad, Liam's mom, top 5. Kylie, 3-place high climber. Keep on climbing. Absolute value of 177. Careful. Careful, look what it says. Careful. The trick. All for the trick. All righty, most of you didn't. So quickly, somebody tell me why red is not right. Red is something to 177, but it's the what? Did I hear somebody say the opposite?
It's the opposite.
There you go. A negative 177 is the opposite of 177, but the absolute value of 177 is meaning how many spaces from 0 is it left or right, and it's 177, right? I bet a bunch of parents, when you were in school, they just said, take the number and make it positive, right? But the understanding is it's how many places from 0 you are. All right. Okay, here we go. All right. Melis, you were on a streak. You have 13 in a row. Is that all of them? Okay, she's got the Blaze beside her. Okay, so she's in the lead, followed by Graham, Tom Tom Captain, Permita's dad, Liam's mom, all still there. Okay. Here we go. That should be super easy. Just match it. Just thought we'd throw one out there. I hope I fixed that one right now that I'm saying it. Okay, we got 9.5 minutes. We got to finish. I think we can. Now I'm nervous. I hope I fixed this answer right. Oh, okay. My bad on that one. Because that was supposed to be the red. Okay, sorry, guys. Sorry about that. Okay, I started thinking, did I fix that one right? Okay, sorry. Darn. Okay, Graham, Mellis, Tom Tom Captain, Permita's dad, and Liam's mom. Sorry about that one. Somebody was on a streak there. I missed who it was. Okay, now you got to tell me greater than, less than, or equal to. Greater than, equal to, or less than. Make a note. I got to fix that last one. Alrighty. So again, 2 is less than 5. And you read it left to right. Okay. And let's see here. Graham, 15 answer streak roll. Same people in our top 5. Okay, next. Number 16. Greater than, equal to, or less than. Hey, flex that integer strength, guys. Flex those integer muscles. Who answer? Alrighty, that was fast flexing. All right, obviously, if I owe somebody, okay, so let's say, Permita, you owe your mom $12. That's better than owing her $7 or worse. That's worse, right? So that's less than, right? That's further down the hole you go. Okay, so yeah, -12 is less than -7 by 5. All right, and we got Graham, we got Mellis, we got Tom Tom Captain, we got Liam's mom, and we got Permita's dad. We switched around just a little bit there. All right, here we go. 4 more. Greater than, less than, or equal to. And owing $3 is better off than owing $6, right? So -3 is greater than -6. Let's see where we are as we're getting close to the end here. Courtney, your dad is on it. He has an answer streak of 3. Okay, Graham, Mellis, Tom Tom Captain, Liam's mom, Permita's dad. All righty. Got some parents up here in the board. Okay, read the question. The absolute value of -144 and the absolute value of 144. All right, would someone tell me why the right answer is equal to?
Because it's absolute value.
Thank you, brains. That's exactly right, okay? Because that is actually saying, how many steps to -144 from 0? 144. How many to 144? 144 steps. So they are the same distance from 0, and that's what it was asking you there. That is correct. All right. And let's see here. We got Graham with a streak of 18. We got Mellis. We got Tom Tom Captain. We got Liam's mom and Permita's dad. And we got 2 questions left. And here it goes. So that's saying 5 1/5 and 5 2/10. Somebody ran out of the room. Somebody's there. That Jayla? Okay. Equal? Of course, because isn't a 1/5 20% or 2/10? 1/5, 2/10? Yeah. So you got it. Okay, let's see here. 10 players have an answer streak of 5 in a row, and same people in our top 5. Last question. Let's see who's going to win it and get our top 5. Okay, we got 8 and 2/5, and we got 8 and 3/10 as a decimal. Would somebody be willing after this question to remind us how we can know which is which? A way of doing it. There's more than one way. Alrighty, so we're saying that 8 and 2/5 is greater than 8 and 1/3. Would someone be able to expand upon how they did that?
The 8 and 2/5 would be at 8.4, I think.
How come?
Because if you multiply it, you get 8.4.
Because 2/5 would be 40 or 4/10, 40 hundredths or 4/10, right? So
Yes.
8 and 4/10 is more than 8 and 1/3. Could somebody do the fraction route? What could I do to 8.3 to make it a fraction? Make it 33 hundredths. Then you still got to get a common denominator. So I think, Angelo, you decided I'm going to go the decimal route because it's faster. I only have to do one conversion there. So yeah. Now let's see our final leaderboard. Here comes the winners. 3rd place, Liam's mom. 2nd place, Tom Captain. And 1st place is Graham the Blade. Okay, so is Tom Captain a parent?
It's my dad.
Who said that? Angelo?
No, Melis.
Melis is dad?
Yeah.
That's right.
All righty. So we had 2 parents out in the top 3. So, I'm thinking that means the parents rule this match because they have 2 of the top 3. All right, so it's parents this time. All right, congratulations to everybody. Thank you, guys. Hey, come back at 2 o'clock for the Gimkit battle. All grade highest.
Thank you, Mr. P.
Wait, Mr. P.
Thank
Mr. P.
you for coming and playing.
Didn't you say for the students and parents who want to, we're doing parents versus students game kit?
I can. I'll have to start a new Zoom though, because this Zoom. Yeah,
All right, see you guys.
If you want to play.
Can we
See
play
you guys.
again?
What's the topic gonna be?
I didn't hear what you said. Did you say topic? Tell you what, if you want to play, text me that you're going to play, and then I will turn it on. Okay? If you,
Okay.
I'm happy to. All right. I'm going to. This is closing out, and I will turn it back on. All right.
Okay.
All righty.